Hey guys, I'm Davina from Angelica Yarns, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do half double crochet. To get started, you're going to need some yarn and a hook. The only thing you need to know prior to learning this is how to make a chain. You can learn by checking out the link in the description below. To get started, I'm going to chain 7. To begin your half double crochet, yarn over. You need to insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first loop. You still have 3 loops on your hook once you do that. You're going to yarn over again and you're going to pull through all 3. We're going to do it again. Yarn over and insert your hook into the chain. Yarn over and pull through the first loop on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. You can practice by doing this all the way across. Yarn over, insert into the chain. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through all 3. If you want to make your row or your project taller, for this stitch specifically, you need to chain 2. For single crochet, you only chain 1, but for this one, it's a little bit taller, so I suggest chaining 2. Some people chain 1, but you should leave yourself enough room and just chain 2. So chain 2 and turn your work around. To continue, we're going to crochet this way now. So yarn over and insert your hook into the top of the last half double crochet of the previous round. So again, you're not going to go into here. You're just going to go into the top. It looks like a regular single crochet stitch. You're going to make sure that you go through both loops. Here's the front loop. Here's the back loop. You want to go through both. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, and pull through all 3. And you can just practice by going all the way across. That's all you need to know about how to make a half double crochet. Thank you for watching.